So we think you're really cute, Grace.
They called me a possum.
Well,
why would they do such a thing?
So I gave you a really nice name.
Like Grace.
Grace.
That's a nice name.
It is.
I have a ring around my belly.
It's really weird.
Yep, it goes all the way around. See it?
And we think it's probably from a trauma.
Probably.
Of some sort.
Maybe a rubber band or a leash or something tied around there.
Yeah, because fur grows indifferent sometimes when there's trauma.
Yep. But that's okay. I don't care.
Nope.
All I know is that these are really good. I came in with my babies.
Yeah.
And they're just as cute.
Your babies are with a foster daddy.
Yep. And he only likes pretty puppies, so so he had to have mine.
It was really funny.
Yeah. He goes, oh, I'll take them if they're pretty.
Big burly guy only wanted the pretty puppies.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
You think it's funny, don't you?
I do. Because I was kind of sick of them, tell you the truth.
Oh.
No more babies for me, thanks to you guys.
I can understand.
Yeah.
So you're a good girl.
Yep. And I'm not a possum, I'm a dog.
You are. We like you.
And I got little ears.
And little feet.
Yep.
You're just adorable.
I know.
Okay, we better go.
Find me a home.
We're gonna.